This is DIY Daddy again, and I am looking at these 3W accessory mats for the BMW. I didn't find any good instructions on how to install them online, so I'm going to tell you how I think they need to be done. These holes, this is the back side, so the car's right here. I'm trying to clean the car with a shop vac, and after that you got to take out the mats that came with the carpet mat that came with the car, and again, this is a BMW X5 2016. Buy the right one from Amazon for that year, make and model. And then this has a little clip that covers these holes right here. And give me a second here. The clips right here, as you can see, just put a flathead screwdriver underneath and pop it open like that, and the back side and the front side both come off, as you can see. Did the same here. These BMWs have a little Velcro to fix the original mat that came with the car. So the Velcro, if you can see, there's this little hole here that this thing goes into, and then it twists to the right, so it's this particular flathead gap is vertical, not horizontal, not vertical. So you make it vertical with the flathead screwdriver and just pull it out, and you can see the little back end of that, how it would hook on to the bottom of that thing here. So it's pretty straightforward. You kind of push it down. I just pushed it and twist so it doesn't come out anymore, but this Velcro is only for the car's internal mat or the original mat. So you kind of pull it out and then you put that, and as you can see, this can be used to then go over this hole and twist it, and this will hold it down, the mat down, so the mat doesn't move. My mat has been moving with kids sitting in the back, and as you can see, it's a little bit bent over here. I'm trying to see if I can get this little bend to fix itself, but when I clean and put it back in, I'm going to remove the original mats and then put it the way I just showed you with the original holder here. So that is how you do the back and the front. Thanks, subscribe, and wait for more such videos. Good luck with your projects.